attention please. We paid a lot of taxes when the British government ruled us and we were tired of paying these useless taxes to the government. Alas, we were not free from this tax payment and unfortunately this system has been continuing from generations to generations even after achieving independence. Is there any solution for this problem? And when our country will become tax free?
Why are you in such frustration? What is your problem?
This tax is my problem. Why do I have to pay all these taxes? Road tax, land tax, income tax, GST. I'm fed up with all these taxes.
Okay, don't worry. I will explain you what is the tax and what is the need of paying the tax. Bro, please come. May I know who are you? I am Isaac and I am a doctor. How do you earn income to run your family? I treat patients and I get fee from them. Okay, thank you so much.
Why did you just call him?
Just wait. Bro, please come. May I know who are you?
I am Sadhvik and I am a lawyer.
How do you earn income to run your family?
I collect fee from my clients and that is my source of income.
Okay, thank you. Ma'am, please come. May I know who are you?
I am Madhumasi and I am a government teacher.
How do you earn income to run your family?
Government pays me salary and that is my income.
Ma'am, please wait. See, how these people needed income. In the same way, government also needs some income to see the welfare of the people. She is a government teacher. Government pays salaries not only to her, but also to all the government employees from the tax amount what we pay. Not only salaries, government also constructs many roads, dams, buildings and establishes many companies from the tax amount what we pay.
Oh, now I understand why we are paying taxes to the government. Shall we create an awareness among the people about this?
But how?
Just wait. All awareness, please come and join with me in this awareness program.
सुनो सुनो ओ भारतवासी, चाहे दिल्ली हो या काशी। सुनो सुनो ओ भारतवासी, चाहे दिल्ली हो या काशी। फर्ज तुम अपने देश के खातिर, फर्ज तुम अपने देश के खातिर उसको याद करो। आई की रिटर्न फाइल करो, आई की रिटर्न फाइल करो, आई की रिटर्न फाइल करो, आई की रिटर्न फाइल करो।
Wow, Hemida, what a wonderful performance.
Thank you very much. After this dance, I'm very tired. Let's have some coffee.
Okay, let's go.
Waiter.
How can I help you?
Bring 2 cups of coffee.
Waiter! Yes, sir.
Bring me 1 cup of coffee. Bill, please.
Cost of coffee is 60 rupees. What is this extra tax? 5%.
So it is a tax the government is charging from us.
But why should I pay extra 5%? Actual price of coffee is only 60 rupees.
It's mandatory, sir. You should pay it.
I will not pay.
Sir, you should pay it.
I will pay only 60 rupees.
Sir, you should pay it.
Call your manager. Manager. What happened?
He's not paying the whole bill.
What, sir?
Why should I pay extra 5% to you?
Sir, it's tax what government mandatory.
I will pay only 60 rupees.
The whole
I will pay
bill.
only 60 rupees.
You should pay the whole bill.
I will pay only 60 rupees.
You should pay the whole bill.
How dare you?
Hey, look, something is happening over there.
I will pay only 60 rupees.
You should pay the whole bill. We will not allow you.
How dare you?
What happened?
He is not paying the whole bill.
Why you not paying whole bill?
He is charging extra 5% mentioned as GST.
What is this extra 5%?
It's GST.
What is this GST?
Don't worry, I will explain you what is GST. GST means goods and service tax. When we buy any goods or any service in India, we should pay GST. GST is a small contribution that we pay towards the development and well-being of our country. So we can't avoid the payment of GST. It's mandatory.
Okay, now I understood why I have to pay GST. I'll pay roll.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. All the time you're busy in solving other people's problems. Now I got an issue with the bank. Come along with me.
Oh no, my loan application got rejected. Now I have to go to the bank. Good morning.